Today, we are going to learn a very useful grammar pattern in Japanese. The grammar is てみる、てみる. This pattern means to try doing something. It is used when you do something to see what happens. It often shows curiosity or a new experience. Now, let's look at some examples. 日本の料理を食べてみました。I tried eating Japanese food. この服を着てみます。I'll try wearing these clothes. 先生に聞いてみてください。Please try asking the teacher. In real life, you use this grammar when you try something new. For example, trying new food, asking questions, or testing an idea. It shows that you are taking action to see the result. To summarize, てみる means to try doing something. Use it when you want to experience or test something.